What is up, guys? This is Moritz here from Section Store once again, and I'm going to showcase you this block section we just brought out for Shopify online stores. You can get this super easily and customize it to your likings like I did here already. I implemented it into one of my example stores. It's just a clothing brand, and I'm going to show you how you can get that to your online store with all the customizations you want in a few easy steps. The first thing you're going to be needing, of course, is a few blog posts, of course, and I opened up the blog post panel right here. You can just find that underneath online stores, and I created a bunch of example blog posts. I'm just gonna click on one to showcase you that. So here we have the title, a little bit of AI text that generated, and a picture, of course, and that picture will be taken in the next step as well to actually get displayed right here. So make sure you pick the picture you actually prefer on that, and then you actually have to add the blog post itself, sorry for skipping back on that one, to the blog collection you actually want. That's the one you can select later in the theme editor. And with that being done, we're basically good to go. We have to get the Shopify app section store in the App Store then, and then we simply open it up underneath here. I've already done so in the other panel. So you can find yourself with that starting panel right here, then click on Explore Sections. And then if you're really new to this video, you should be able to just find it right here. And if not, you can just use the search bar. Let's click on it. Like I said already, the app itself is completely free. It contains over 100 fully customizable components. This app does come with a few premium sections like this one, which sometimes charge a small fee. This one comes with a $9 one-time fee. That means if you bought it once, you're gonna own it forever. You're not gonna need a developer or anything. And the whole thing is fully customizable, fully responsive, and a pretty good deal at the end of the day, I'd say. All right, after successfully getting that, you can just add it to your theme before you can actually use it. I've already done so. So just click on the theme you're using. In my case, it's the Dawn Light theme. And then you open up the theme editor right here. Or you can also just open it with the online store and then click on Customize. Cool, I think we are good to go to actually implement the sectioner. That's the one you saw in the beginning of the video. We're just trying to build a little replica right now. So I'm just gonna type in block. And the one we will need for that one is the SS block 4. So I'm just gonna drag it up. We're already getting a really nice default version of it, so we get a little idea of how it's going to look like. I'm just gonna not display that one anymore. I'm gonna use a headline section for tutorials, maybe without the typo. Perfect, that is looking nice. You can even select the custom font for that if we just click on here, and then you can change it to whatever you prefer. Actually quite happy with that one. Maybe make the headline a little bit bigger, decide if it's going to be centered left or right. I'm happy with the center, and we get the button right here. Just change it to see all, so you can just see with a lot of customization options to that whole thing. And the button size is also changeable if you want to make it a little bit bigger. That is surely possible, but I'm happy with the size it is right now. Just gonna go over that really fast, and here we can select the news I just showed you. That's where all of our blocks are pretty much collected in. That's the one I picked, so that's how you can easily change between topic blocks as well. So if you have like a block about food, a block about something else, you can just build two separate sections and then choose between the one you actually want to have displayed. You can also show the articles you want to have displayed, the block app, if you want to make it a little bit tighter. You can see that. I think that looks nice actually. And the image height, a lot of things we can customize. Pretty much everything you see in the section is customizable. I think that is looking nice. Now we have the date size underneath here, which is changeable too, and a bunch of other size things we can do with the font, and also of course the heading color and all the other colors you can see in that section. Just gonna do that really quickly, and we want the title color to be that green as well, and of course the date color. And then I think we are good to save it all up and have a look at it in the live version, because I do think it's gonna look pretty nice. Let's just give that a little load, and then we should be able to round it all up. Let's have a look at that. That's also one of our sections we just brought out. It's called image cards if you want to have a look at that. But we are focusing on the section store block right now. That is looking nice. That is also working. And if we hover over it, we get this little zoom in effect. I think that looks quite nice. Let's just click on one and see if it's actually working, and it's directly linking us to our blog we already wrote with all the necessary things we have to include. But yeah, that pretty much brings us to the end of the video. I think it's a really nice summarization of all the blog posts you can have in your store, and it gives you all the customization options in the world. And I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And if you have some own suggestions you would like to make of sections you want to see us build, always feel free to leave them in the comment section. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out, guys.